Good morning. Hey, it's Tuesday and I'm out on the Willoway dock. Let's take a walk through the dock and look at these beautiful plants. First up here we're looking at Mr. Bowling Ball, always a favorite. These are gorgeous. We got a great looking crop here. Look at that consistency. Here we have some great color. You know, the Buddleia Pugsters are still going strong. Here we're looking at Pugster Blue, and in the background there we have Lavender Chiffon. Check out those 7-gallon Hetz Columnaris junipers. Big, beautiful plants. Good value on those. Then next to them we're looking at our 2-gallon Little Lime. Here we have another hydrangea paniculata. This one is Vanilla Strawberry from First Edition. Seasonal colors looking really good. Here we're looking at a nice mix of cabbage and kale. We still have some available. Look at these big, beautiful plants. Here we have some holly. This is our 3-gallon Blue Maid holly. Nice value on these. Fresh new crop of ferns come out. Here we're looking at ostrich fern, some robust male, and tassel fern. Here we have a nice pull here, a good size order of our 3-gallon burning bush. This is a fall color favorite. We have some beautiful plants here, guys. 3-gallon burning bush. In the background there we're looking at our 7-gallon limelight trees, and again the Buddleia. This is Pugster Blue and Lavender Chiffon. I'm just going to come in here. We have several orders with these on them today here. And these are beautiful plants. Then next to them we have a newer one. This one is Purple Pillar. And this is the narrow upright variety, and it gives you some really nice color. And again, you can see they're just still loaded with buds. So in the background here we're looking at Ronia Lowscape Hedger. That's a hot new one from Proven Winners. A very nice crop of 3-gallon. Those are Rhamnus Vineland. And then here we're looking at Spirea. You know, Spirea are still showing some color, and they're great landscape sized plants. And we've got the whole double play series available. Next up here we have Physocarpus Summer Wine. You can see that rich, nice color there. Next to them we have a Thuja. This is an upright, the Grootspire, in a 3-gallon. And these gorgeous 3-gallon blue muffins. So they haven't started to show fruit yet, but this variety has those great looking porcelain blue berries. You can see here the 19-centimeter Hamlins are still showing some great plumes on them. Here we have a 7-gallon. That's a Tamiyukiyama Japanese maple. Then I'm going to come over here. Here we have our 3-gallon. This one is incredible. Not a lot of color there, but fantastic looking plants. Then here we're looking at Syringa Bloomerang Dark Purple. More of those burning bush, and I just wanted to show you the pansies. You know, we have a few pansies left, and man, these are colored up really nice. Look at that bud and bloom on those. Be sure to grab these because they're selling fast. You can see our container trees are starting to come in right now. I'm early in the dock here, but you know, we have a great selection of potted trees as well as our stock B&B, and soon we'll be digging B&B, so be sure to get your orders in. Wow, it's hard to believe on these Nest Spruce. These are 3-gallon Nest Spruce. Extremely good value, guys. Don't pass that one up. Then I'm going to pan around here. We have some nice 2-gallon. This is Buxus Green Gem. See more color here with the Thuja Fire Chiefs. Then we have Autumn Brilliance Fern. Then come in here, nice 3-gallon. These are Green Velvets. And these beautiful 3-gallon Hicks Taxus. Here we have some Lismachia Nummularia aurea, and then this is Hibiscus Midnight Marble, still loaded with flower buds. Nice color in the Japanese bloodgrass here. And then here we're looking at our 3-gallon Carl Forster. Very nice color on these 2-gallon. This is Deutzia Chardonnay Pearls. So if you got a shaded area, this one will really start to light it up. Wow, check out the color on these. Here we have Cotinus. This is Winecraft Black from Proven Winners. Gorgeous plants there. Then we're coming over, we're looking at some Aronia there, and then this is the newer fragrant viburnum. This is Carlisi Spice Island. You can see that nice tight compact shape to them. They're a little more compact in size, and they're highly fragrant. This is a new one, Spice Island. Here we're looking at Redhead in the background there, nice plumes on those. Coming down here we're looking at Duravilla Cool Splash. You know, this is the time right now that these really start to shine. They got really nice, bright, clean foliage. Beautiful plants. Duravilla Cool Splash. See all the grasses here. Here we have our 3-gallon Pennisetum Hamlin. And again, this is a really great value right now. A lot of nice plumes coming up. Big full plants. Pennisetum Hamlin, 3 gallons. Here we have nice blue color on the 2-gallon blue stars. Here we're looking at autumn brilliance fern. This is Physocarpus Little Devil from First Editions. Nice heavy plant there. Then coming back, we're looking at Hydrangea Annabelle. They're really nice plants. You see a little bit of bud and bloom on those. Again, they're starting to shut down. We've had a little cooler temperatures. We'll start to see some fall color coming on the foliage. But these are great landscape size plants. Annabelle. You can really start to see the color on these Blackhawks grass. They're starting to come up, and you can see that rich burgundy color starting to come on them. Really nice, big, heavy 3 gallons. And then I pulled one of these off to the side to show you the 19 centimeter Hamlins. Very nice. So this is a newer red bud. This is 7-gallon Cercis canadensis flamethrower. So you can see that nice red color starting to come out on them now. We'll start to see some fall color, you know, the shorter days and the cooler days starting to come on us here. So we'll start to see that fall color start to come on. But this is a new one. Check this one out. Cercis canadensis flamethrower. Got some nice color. Here we have some 3-gallon. This is Hydrangea Bobo. And again, this is when you want to get them. They still have bud and bloom on them. Nicely shaped plants. Here we're looking at Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro. We have Spring Glory Forsythia in a 3-gallon. You know, some folks are getting jobs and stocking up early for spring, and so they're ready for early shipping there. And here we're looking at Wine and Roses in a 3-gallon. And then check these out. These are Ilex Galabra densa in a 7-gallon. That's landscape ready there. Here we're looking at our 15-gallon green giants, which are still a really nice value, tipping 5 foot. Look at these monsters. Here we have our 84-inch 25-gallon green giants. In the background there, we're looking at our Japanese maples. Those are 7-gallon Tamiyukiyama. You can see they're nicely branched. Starting to get a little, you know, they got a little leaf scorch because we do overhead water. And but man, they're branched nicely. Good value. Then here we're looking at our, these are 3-gallon mop cypress. Look at that great color. Here's a good value. Here we have our 7-gallon green giants. And wow, these are big plants here. I'm just going to come over here. There's one that I kind of pulled to the side. This is our Flagella Spilled Wine. Still showing some very nice color. Good size on those 3s. And then in the background there, we're looking at Miscanthus crystallimus. In the end there we have some Echinacea purpurea magnus, and you know, they still have a little bit of bud and bloom on them. Then we have Lavender Provence. They spiked up, got a lot of nice color there. Beautiful. Pulled one of these grasses out front to show you. This is Carex Everest. Look at that great looking plant. So here's another order with those 3-gallon Incrediballs. And again, you can see they're nice big heavy plants. And coming over here, more of the 3-gallon Bobos. We have the Randmus Fine Lines in the background there. Then swinging over to, again, the Carl Forrester in 3 gallons. Hope you can still see this one here. I pulled it off the pallet to show you the nice size on these 3-gallon bucks. It's a little missing. Well, I just wanted to come on the back side of that order and show you those big 25-gallon green giants. Holy smokes, those are gorgeous. Also, we have our ornamental cabbage and kale. Gorgeous color. These would be phenomenal in a landscape or in a container behind the patio. Beautiful big plants. Wow, those are landscape ready. Here we're looking at our 7-gallon Taxus Hicksa. Nice pull, you know, and a good crop on those 3-gallon Randmus Fine Lines. Nice, full, tight, consistent grade there. Here we have some 3-gallon burning bush if you're trying to hit a price point. Good value on those. They're going to have a lot of color in the weeks ahead. Holy smokes, check out the size on these 3-gallon Buxus winter jobs. So you can see they're getting this order ready, and it's got a nice amount of those perennial hibiscus. And again, these are Midnight Marvel. You can see the beautiful bud set on them. Gorgeous plants. You can see the guys are busy getting things tagged up, and more are coming in. But just wanted to give you a quick walk through the dock today. We got great fall seasonal color with our grasses, perennials, beautiful foliage and flower, landscape ready plants, and evergreens and trees. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading this truck for you.